don't know what's wrong with my feet. Every time I do this and this, I end up at the airport.
What do you call it? Diaper bag essentials. This is a diaper bag that I use, and I use this. It's her daily diaper bag. I use this on the plane as well. Essentials. Get you one of these. Like a girl said, the chicken salad. I'm gonna get one of these. Hey, this was gifted to me from my friend Gemma. It's a staple. So I do have her car seat. I do have her stroller. And actually we use the Even Flow car seat stroller combo. So this is a gate check bag. I told you we had the Even Flow stroller car seat combo. What you see on the right is a car seat that's already in a gate check bag, and my husband putting the stroller part in the gate check bag. We do use the stroller in the airport. All you do is when you get to your gate, you're about to get on a plane or whatever like that, before they're about to board you guys, put your stuff in your gate check bag, take it to the counter and tell the attendant, hey, I need a gate check tag. And that way it'll get put on the bottom of the plane. And when you get off of the plane, it'll be ready for you and you guys can go about your business. Although I don't set the stroller back up until we get off of the little gateway. So that's essential.
Wait a minute, I want to see that baby.
Oh, I'm saying, Maya, look over.
Hey, how are you? I saw her out there and she looked like a little dog.
Thank you.
That baby's beautiful.
Thank you so much.
So I just bought this Mom Cozy. These are our breast pumps. It's a manual breast pump. My daughter is feeding on breast milk and she's supplementing with formula. So I bring that just in case we're on the flight, I need a pump or something like that. Lysol wipes. You get you some Lysol wipes. The planes, use them on the planes in the seat when you first go in. I tell my husband, let me go in first because I'm gonna sanitize better than him. I wipe down the seat, the armrest, the window, everything that she's going to be touching on, the back of the seat, the little tray table. I do have formula in here. Now, you know how your baby eats. So bring enough formula for however long your flight is. Keep in mind of your layover. So coming back, we flew out of Seattle to Phoenix. We had like a 3-hour layover and then we went from Phoenix to New Orleans. That's where we flew out of. So I packed 6 of these just because I didn't know what was gonna go on. It was snow everywhere, so I didn't feel get delayed. So these are 8 ounces. Going through TSA with this, they're gonna be like, hey, do you want me to open this? This is sealed. Once this is open, she gotta drink it like within an hour or so, or however long it is. I don't know, but I told them no, don't open it. They're like, okay. So then when you have your baby, they're gonna make you check your car seat and your stroller goes through the little thing or whatever. You can either have your baby in this, or you can hold your baby and walk through the walk-in scanner. However, if you don't want them to check your formula, they are going to make you go through the other scanner where you got to go like this. You go in there by yourself, have your partner, hold your baby. If you are flying solo, you would then just put your car seat together, put your baby in the car seat, and we'll go through it. You're going to bomb test your hands with like a little swipe thing. They may have to pat you down or whatever, but that's it. Are going to use some type of, it's not solution, it's like a little alcohol pad, but it's not alcohol pad, I don't know, some kind of bomb thing. And they're just going to test the room to make sure it's not a bomb. she likes these, so I just brought them just in case she, you know, wanted some or whatever. Keep the hand sanitizer on deck. So I just have this in a plastic bag just because you never know what you may plastic bag for. This is the little pacifier clip holder. My baby doesn't use a pacifier, but she does have like a teething ring, so I was just gonna use this. I didn't even use it though. Headphones. And this is like earmuff headphones for the flight. If it's too loud for the child or whatever like that, just put these on their ears. I have used these on the plane before. She didn't like them. Actually on this trip, I didn't need them, but I still had them just in case. But she didn't need them. College basketball game. It got loud, so I had to put these. Let's count the formula, okay? This all went through TSA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She did drink one, so 5 formulas. I have an extra bottle in my bag. Not, you know, this wasn't needed or whatever. She already did have a bottle, but just in case anything could happen, the bottle could have failed, anything could happen. So I just had an extra bottle on deck for her. Extra clothes. Now, mind you, we were in Seattle. It was like freezing cold. So I packed an extra sweatsuit for her. Now, I recommend 2 pairs of clothes. The other reason why she doesn't have her other pairs of changing clothes in here because she needed to use them. She used the bathroom on herself, and so I had to change her. Plastic bag. And this will go into the changing. We were actually at the airport in Phoenix when we went to the bathroom, and I noticed she had shit all over her clothes. Changed her clothes, wiped her down really good, put her clothes in a plastic bag. So this is an extra plastic bag. And then I still had an extra outfit for her. So 2 pairs of changing clothes, plastic bag. Here's her teething ring. This is some baby food. Again, this all went through TSA, not an issue. I was gonna use this. Actually, she did eat the banana. This is applesauce, but she did eat the banana, and we actually ate that on the plane. We actually ate it in the airport in a little waiting area, but she actually ate it on the plane as well. So this is the top to her bottle. Socks to go with her change of clothes outfit. Again, it was 2 pairs of changing clothes. She had another pair of socks too. Lotion. Now, this lotion is 2.53 floral ounces, and you know it has to be like under 3 ounces. But here's the kicker. This is lotion for me. This is lotion for her. Lotion for her. It's a little band-aid first aid kit thing. You never know, anything can happen. You might get a cut, so we just always want to be prepared. Another pair of socks. Got a pen. You never know when you might need to write something down. Okay, and that is actually everything that's in my bag. Now, let me talk to you about changing. The airport bathrooms are some of the nastiest bathrooms I've ever been to. And I've been in Walmart bathrooms. The changing table. They do have family bathrooms that are like designed for the changing table, your bathroom that you can use right there, hand wash station, all that stuff. But it's just absolutely disgusting. Some of these mothers are absolutely disgusting and just don't clean them after themselves. So you have to change your baby. Essential. This is what I do. I clean down the seat, the changing table. I clean it down. If it's cleanable, because I'll explain. The first time we used the bathroom, I used these. It was dirty, but it was, you know, okay. Use this. I do keep these on hand. I like to fly with at least 3 to 4 of these, just because you never know. I keep these in my bag anyways. My diaper bag actually can roll all the way out and it has a changing station. However, I washed the changing pad and it's messed up now. So I just use these. And this is a changing pad. And I use the oversized ones. Yes, I use the oversized ones. So I clean out the changing pad table, open this, put it down, change my baby on there, and just throw it away.
We about to change. We about to change. We about to change. We about to change. We about to change.
Wipes, diapers, you choose. I like to fly. First of all, I told you this is our everyday backpack. So I keep wipes, changing pad, and diapers in there anyways. However, you know how your baby uses the bathroom. So keep enough amount of diapers for your flight. Case in point, on any given day, this bag always has at least 8 diapers in there. I keep a pack of wipes in there, but at least 8 diapers in there. So if you know your daughter or your son goes to the bathroom once every 2 hours and you have a 4-hour flight, you need at least 2 diapers for 2 changes, but pack 4 just in case. Like I say, anything can happen. So I like to keep at least 8. If you're flying across the country, you know, you might need to pack more, but I keep at least 8 in there. So it is what it is. Found some more wipes. The Lysol wipes are just pristine. Now, I went to a bathroom, was this in Arizona? I don't know where it was, whatever. The changing station bathroom was absolutely horrendous. Like, the changing table itself was so nasty that I didn't even want to Lysol wipe it, because I was like, if my daughter moves or anything, I wouldn't want her risking touching anything, even if I Lysol wiped it. So what I did was, they had like a little bench. I sat on the bench. I put this changing pad on my lap, put her on my lap, and went old school. Changed her right there on my lap, put her back in her car seat, did what I need to do, and was done. But the bathroom was so disgusting. And the sad part about it is, before I went to the bathroom, a lady who was supposed to be cleaning the bathroom was walking out. So what the hell did you clean, ma'am? Because that bathroom was disgusting. You can pack a thing of clothes for yourself. Me, actually, I kind of layer up when I do go to airports. I guess she does spit up on me. I didn't show bibs, but I always have a bib on my baby, and I do have extra bib in there, but obviously I put it on her when she changed her clothes. So pack your bibs, and they all can fit in your diaper bag. This diaper bag specifically, I have to try to get the name for y'all, because I got it as a baby shower gift, but it's easy to fly with your baby. Don't be scared. I've even flew with this breast pump before, and this is my Medela. I did have a portable like battery thing so it could come on. I even flew with that one time, but since I got the portable one, it's just so much easier to handle and everything like that. I think that's it.